Hi everyone, let's see if we can solve this math problem first before I do. Now you're looking at the simplest math problem most people get wrong. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with 9 times 9. So what is 9 times 9? 81. Good job. And let's bring that 7 minus down, divided by 8. Now looking back at PEMDAS, 81 divided by 8 goes first. What is 81 divided by 8? I don't know. So let's write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple or easy. And let's bring that 7 minus down, but let's bring that 7 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 7 over 1 equals 7 does not change to 7. And then minus. So we're subtracting two fractions. Notice that the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And I want to use a different color. Let's use this color. Green? Nah, I don't want to use green. Well, let's see a darker green. Yeah, darker green. Let's do that. Darker green. All right, so here's the first wing, 7 times 8. So what is 7 times 8? And here's the antenna. What is it? 56. Good job. And then 1 times 81. Here's the other wing and the other antenna. What is 1 times 81? 81. Good job. And we're subtracting 56 minus 81. And then we multiply. This is the body. 1 times 8 equals 8. Don't leave yet because you need to figure out what is the mixed number answer, the improper fraction answer, which is coming up, and then lastly, your decimal answer. Now, we are going to write our 8 below the fraction bar. That is the new denominator. And now we need to figure out the numerator. Now, we're going to subtract. So let's turn those numbers around to make the math easy. 81 minus 56. So you do this. You do this. 10 minus 6 is what? What is it? I can't hear you. I can't really hear you. You got to tell me. Oh, it's 5? No, this is wrong. It's 11 minus 6. And so it's 5. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. And it's negative. All right, so 56 minus 81 equals negative 25. And this is your improper fraction answer, negative 25 over 8. And like I said, don't leave yet because we need to figure out the mixed number answer and the decimal answer to this math problem using long division. All right, so I'm going to write negative 25 over 8 on this side of the board. And you can't simplify this further. This is it. This is the actual answer, negative 25 over 8. And then we're going to write our mixed number answer here. And then we'll write our, our mixed number answer here and our decimal answer here using long division. All right, so here's the long division symbol. And so the answers are going to be negative. All right, so the 25 goes inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. And the 8 goes outside the long division symbol. This is called the divisor. So how many times can 8 fit into 25? Well, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So that's closer to 25. And we write 3. So you can fit 8 into 25 3 times. And then we multiply, right? 3 times 8 is, what is 3 times 8? I just said it. What is it? 24. Good job. And then we subtract 25 minus 24 is 1. And so now we can write our mixed number answer, which is 3. That's the whole number. 1 is the remainder, and the 8 goes below the fraction bar. So it's 3, negative 3, 1 over 8. That is your answer. And let's continue our long division so we can get our decimal answer. All right, so how many times can 8 fit into 1? You cannot, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 25, a decimal after the 3. So here's the 0, and you bring it down, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. Now, how many times can 8 fit into 10? 1 time. So I write the 1 up there. 1 times 8 is 8, and we subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. So how many times can 8 fit into 2? You cannot, so the 2 needs to borrow a 0. So we bring the 0 down, give it to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. How many times can 8 fit into 20? 2 times. And 2 times 8 is, what is it? I can't hear ya. 16. Good job. And so, oh, we ran out of space. So let me just write it here. So 20 minus 16 is 4. And how many times can 8 fit into 4? You cannot, so we borrow a 0. The 4 borrows a 0. The 4 becomes 40. That's a 40. Uh-oh. Erase this. This becomes 40. And then how many times can 8 fit into 40? 5 times. And 5 times 8 is 40. And 40 minus 40 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 3 or negative 3.125. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support and also to join the smartest community on YouTube. Yes, I did change my name from Janseen Explains to Jansenium. Fun, right? Alrighty, here's your happy faces. Here you go. Happy face here, happy face here, happy face here. And yes, you got 3 different answers. They're correct. Negative 25 over 8. You got negative 3, 1 over 8. And then lastly, your decimal answer, negative 3.125. And there you go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.